Welcome to Fuller Farms. Today we're going to the cattle sale. Let's see what we buy, guys. And once I buy them, I'll add a clip of me taking them home in the cattle trailer. Let's see what we get done here at the sale barn. It's a pretty nice day out, and I think the prices will be a little bit lower than normal, but we'll see. Thank you guys for tuning in, and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.
This position, you got too many heifers at home, gentlemen. That needs to be offered to you today. But
voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before.
1084 ain't been pushed at all.
All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say. Tell me what I can become, and I've been looking forward to this day. The day I prove you right.
Well, there we go, guys. We got one red heifer calf weighing 130, and it weighs 130 pounds for $475 is what I bought. I also got two black cows. Average weight was 1168. 108 is and then 23 to 35 was the total pounds. And for 2050, which is really cheap for red cows right now when they're only 9 years old, which 9 years old isn't that bad. So I should be able to, in theory, get 2 calves out of her, if not 3. So otherwise I could sell her for a pair, probably get $2,500 out of her if the market stays good for the next 6 years. So we'll see if that happens, and if that happens, I'm betting you that'll be a good turnout for only being $20.50 ahead. And then the vet charged me $6, which ain't that bad for tagging them. I'd rather have them just do it, since I'm just gonna put them in the lot. I don't want to run them through the chute or anything and get them even more wild up than they already are from being in the sale barn, of course. But yeah, so it was a pretty good day at the sale. I think I should have bought these cows that only brought $1,900. Heifers were really cheap. I have a clip in there somewhere of those heifers only bringing $3,700 or so. That ain't bad at all for heifers either. Anyway, thank you guys for checking in on my channel today. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll try and make another video here if that works out. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and have a great weekend. Just about to load the cattle trailer full of the calves. We got the cattle trailer here at the sale barn, and we're about to load the trailer full of the calves and the cows that we bought. Hopefully this works good for you guys, but we'll see. Thank you guys for tuning in this far into the video. cows I bought. Number 1, number 2. I had the vet ear tag them. They're really tame. Number 1, let me pet you. Number 1, pretty nice calves, I tell you. And then I got the little calf up front, but these two are bred 7 months long. Real nice cows, I think. Best ones you'll ever find, I think. They're nice and gentle. I think they're solid mouth, nice frame on them. Big girls right there. Well, I have to just undo this one thing. I have to undo the one thing. What thing? It's that little safety. See, there's a little safety deal up there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. See? Okay. Yeah, they're ready about the calf, and Dad. Now we unloaded the calves. Hello. We unloaded the cows into this little lot here at our house, and now it's time to give them the famous range blocks from Boom Guards. You guys see that there? Boom Guards. They're cheaper. Ugh. It's a heck of a lot cheaper. I don't know how chunky this video will be or how long it will be, but I'm trying my best to piece together a good video here. Trying to make it at least 20 minutes long, but we'll see how that goes. I know it's kind of just a bunch of little clips all put together, or at least it will be once I get it edited tonight. But anywho, these are the girls. They're pretty tame, pretty docile cows. I mean, I'm right up next to them. They'll probably be a little wild, but what can you expect? Open this block here and let the cows eat after. As I said, I paid $2,050 for each of those cows down there. Let's get one more look there. As we open this block, I paid $2,050 per head. Now, you might think, Kobe, that's a little high. Well, market value those cows should have brought. Oh, I tell you what. Probably anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000, but they didn't. So I'm trying to say, well, gee, that's pretty cheap. Cheapest cows I'm gonna find. Should have brought these other ones that were $1,900, but I didn't. But I need to go lock up this pen down here. Walk on my way on into this lot down here. I have little sections of lots that I put my calves in during the summer and thought I'd lock up my cows down in yonder. I don't know. That cow's a little wild that my sister got, but it's whatever, I guess, right guys? Cheaper Highlander, the better. Oh, don't act silly. We'll just let them be. There's a better look at them. Hopefully they don't escape tonight. Probably never seen a dog. There's the cows right there. Pretty good cow. 7 months long. 7 months long. Best cows you're gonna find at that price, $20.50. Like I said, that calf I paid only $4.75 for. So not too bad. She's probably looking at those cows like, huh, am I not supposed to be out there? But you know what? I think I did okay today. I'm gonna shut off this camera and I'm gonna show you the next clip will be of the calf up in the trailer, because we gotta get it bottle fed and whatnot. It's cold out here. It's December 29th, I think, or 30th. I'm not even for sure what today's date is. I wrote the check and I forgot the date. I'll look here on my phone. Yeah, it's the 29th of December. A little cold, but I'll put them here in this lot, so if I need to cab them out or anything, and they got shelters and everything else up here, and I already got hay up in the lot here and decent grass hay there to feed them. But I gotta go look in the trailer and I'll show you that calf. I'll see you then. As I said before, we're gonna look in this cattle trailer. This is my cattle trailer I bought right here. We're gonna go and check out the calf that I bought, see how friendly and docile it is, since my cows were so friendly. Hopefully it's a good buy. Hopefully it ain't a little ugly stinker, huh? This is a calf I bought for $4.75. Decently nice little heifer. I think it weighed 135 pounds. Let's look at him. Let me pet her. Huh? How you doing? Yeah, I got a little mineral on my hand from that block. You take the bottle okay, or do you want to be weaned? Hmm? You want to take a bottle? Yeah, you want to take a bottle, huh? Yeah, you probably already were on the bottle, huh? Trying to get your teeth, you probably only need once a bottle, I think. I think off my judgment, I don't know about you guys, but once a day should be good enough for that calf, right? Once a day. Nice little heifer, red Angus heifer. Really nice. Got a little dark around the eyes. Don't like that so much, but that's okay.